This is absolutely unethical.
Representative Maxine Dexter sharing that last Friday, Dariani Liseth Gonzalez de Crespo and Yohendry de Jesus Crespo were detained by federal agents while taking their 7-year-old to the hospital.
And they literally were trying to get their 7-year-old who was having an unrelenting nosebleed medical attention, and they were surrounded by ICE agents without a warrant and were detained as they were trying to get care for their child.
Friends of the family contacted the Portland Immigrant Rights Coalition. They say this is the first time they've been able to confirm a child being taken into custody with their family in Oregon.
To think that you're going to get medical help for your child and instead being snatched away from the medical facility and transported without access to a doctor is horrifying.
The daughter's condition worsening briefly.
We had a medical consultation yesterday. My chief of staff is a pediatric nurse and was able to inquire because their daughter had a fever for several days.
The ICE detainee locator shows the mother is being held at a detention center in Texas, with Dexter confirming the family is together.
What we know is that they have an active asylum case. They have a 2028 immigration court date. They have no criminal history that we are aware of.
The hospitals should be safe places where people can come and get treatment and not be afraid of the repercussions of ICE, acting in these predatory ways.
Adventist Health, which was the scene of the shooting involving 2 Venezuelan immigrants and federal agents earlier this month, wrote in a statement in part that, "We have no information regarding this family, including any arrest or detention that may have occurred in our parking lot. No law enforcement agency contacted us, and we did not coordinate with any agency."
These people are not the worst of the worst. These are not the criminals that we were told that the immigration enforcement was going to be detaining.
So according to Dexter and Perk, that child is now stable, and again, the family is being held together in that detention facility in Texas. Now, I heard from the Department of Homeland Security earlier today, who sent me a statement which reads in part that they arrested the couple, who are, quote, 2 illegal aliens from Venezuela, along with their minor child in Portland, Oregon. These parents illegally entered U.S. with their daughter in 2024 through the disastrous CBP One app and were released into the country by the Biden administration. Any application for asylum does not preclude immigration enforcement. Back to you.
Celine Stevens reporting. Thank you.